Hi, this is Anna. Here I'm going to explain static routing, and here I have given three routers and three switches and six laptops. And here I have given IP address. These are IP address of this PC. And here also I have given I'm going to show a routing table. This is a routing table for this, and message passing this PC to this PC. I'm going to show message passing. Sorry. This PC to this PC. Here success, and thank you.